Hello friends, today's topic market recovery after 7 days. Reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. After 7 consecutive days of negative market closes, Indian stock markets rallied by more than 1.3% intraday, but towards the last 1 hour of the day, there was profit booking and finally Nifty closed only 0.3% higher. A small uptrend is expected due to the significant fall in the last 1.5 months. However, markets still don't have sufficient strength to sustain a rally. Since the Maharashtra elections are there tomorrow, 20th November, stock markets will have a holiday. Also, results of the elections will be known on 23rd November and hence markets could react to the election results on 25th November, Monday, since Maharashtra is one of the important and large states in India. Following could be some reasons for the market recovery today. Number one, markets may be oversold. Since the end of September 2024, Indian markets have been sliding downwards. So, as per RSI, it was oversold. RSI was 28.6 yesterday and it has gone up to 29.9 today. In the short term, a small rally is expected. However, the general trend is expected to be weak for some more months. Similarly, Nifty was trading below its 200 days moving average. Usually, 200 days moving average acts as a support to the long-term trend. Nifty is still below 200 DMA even after today's positive close. Analysts continue to maintain a cautious short-term outlook due to high valuations, FII's outflows, and weaker quarterly performance of most companies. Second reason, reduced selling by FIIs. FIIs continue to be net sellers in Indian market. However, in the last few days, the selling by FIIs has reduced compared to the first few days of November. In fact, DIIs have been pumping in more money than FIIs selling in the last 4 to 5 days. So this has helped in markets falling by a smaller percentage. Usually towards December, FIs know lower number of transactions as the year end approaches. In fact, they may even do some additional profit booking closer to the second half of December since most people take long holidays for Christmas and New Year and fund managers don't want to be having huge positions during their holidays. Third reason, positive Asian market cues. Asian markets were all positive, up between 0.5 to 0.8% today. This could be one of the reasons for good rally in the first half. However, European markets opened negatively and are trading around 1% lower. So this could have had a negative impact on our markets towards the end of the day. Fourth reason, Ukraine attack on Russian territory. The market's optimism was impacted due to report of Ukraine armed forces launching missile strike on Russian border territory. This resulted in Nifty falling from 1.3% up to just 0.3% up. Don't wait for any particular reason to invest a lump sum for long term. Keep investing in phases over the next few months. You never know when markets will recover from the dull phase and rally. If you try to time the market, you will regret that you did not invest enough money during the correction. Many investors are hoping for Nifty to reach 21,000 or even 20,000 mark. We have been seeing many comments stating that they are waiting for another 5 to 10% fall before they invest money. Nobody knows whether it will fall to that level or will just stay weak and trade in a range. Markets could also have a time correction even if there is no major price correction. Don't postpone a SIP too. Let it continue as per plan. In fact, it's a good time to even increase or step up your SIP if your income has increased in the recent past. Here is an announcement. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ ಟುಡೇ 19 ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ at 9:15 p.m. Under the video, here is the question. Analysts are expecting Nifty to be around 24,500, 25,000 by the end of December 2024. What is your expectation? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.